Hey, it's Nathan with CrazyOnMarketing.com, and in this video we're going to go over a couple basic site settings within your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Now hopefully you've already set up a domain for your workspace. If you haven't, link in the description down below on how to do that. Now we need to go ahead and actually connect that domain to our site. So within ClickFunnels, we're going to go to Sites, and we want to go ahead and click on this menu right here, and we want to go to Site Settings. And now we can go ahead and change some information for our site. So this is our site title. So I might do Crazy Eye Media LLC. And then we need to go ahead and select our domain. So this is where you'd want to go ahead and set up your domain ahead of time. Again, link in the description down below if you have not set up your domain. Here we can go ahead and set our favicon and also our site header logo. So I've already uploaded my logo previously, but my favicon is not correct. So I'm going to go ahead and change that image. And if you don't know, a favicon is a little icon that goes in the tab right here. So there's a ClickFunnels one, and here's actually my favicon because I had my whole logo up in there. But I'm going to go ahead and upload a smaller icon, my favicon, open, and so there we go. We'll select that instead. So now my favicon should look better. We can set the time zone. We can set our site availability, so public or coming soon. So if you're still building it and you don't want anybody to come across it, of course, set it for coming soon. Otherwise, you can put it public. Here's where you can go ahead and add your various tracking codes like Google Analytics. Additionally, there's like the Facebook Pixel ID. And the good part about this is if you plug your Facebook Pixel ID right in here, then ClickFunnels can send events straight back to Facebook. Like if somebody becomes a lead or a buyer, then those conversions will be tracked within Facebook's advertising platform. And then of course, depending on your advertising settings, you can optimize your ads for conversions, which of course will help your advertising performance. So you want to plug in your Pixel ID here and your Facebook access token right here. So that way you have the most accurate tracking possible. But also if you have just general code like Google Analytics code can go up here, or other code you might want to include on all the pages within your site, you can plug them in here. So this is the universal head tag and footer tag that would impact all pages within your site. So this is where you'd put that code. Now on individual pages, you can also have individual codes, and I cover that in the page builder video, so link in the description if you need more info on that. But we would definitely want to plug in your Facebook Pixel ID and Facebook Access Token if you're advertising through Facebook. And even if you're not advertising through Facebook, it's probably a good idea to put this in here so that way you can start building your audiences and start collecting as much data as humanly possible in case you decide to advertise through Facebook. There's the option to hide Powered by ClickFunnels badge, which I recommend turning on unless you want to advertise that you're using ClickFunnels, in which case, you can go ahead and turn this off. I don't think most people want to advertise somebody else's product on their website, so probably want to turn that off. Here's some advanced settings where we can do some theme overrides. So our style right here, we want to do our default style, and I have the style guide video where we set up our style, so check that video out if you have not set up a style yet. If you want to override the blog theme, the store theme, or the home page with a different theme, you could go ahead and do so right here by selecting these different options. So if you want something to look different for some reason, you can go ahead and do that here. SEO and sharing. So here's where you would go ahead and update your information. So when somebody posts a link to your website on Facebook or Twitter or X as they call it now, this is what's going to show up. So you want to make it, enticing for somebody to go ahead and click on your link and visit your page. So I might do something like this, where I'm advertising like a free download for a lead magnet or something to that effect. Or of course you can just do something more generic for your website because this is for your main homepage. So depending on your business and what you're trying to do, you may or may not want to be trying to collect leads like right off the bat. But anyway, just an example. So we'll go ahead and update site. And I don't know if you noticed, but my URL changed up here. So now I could go to crazyeyemedia.com and I should see my ClickFunnels site. So here's my site right here. And of course I need to go ahead and update my homepage and all that other stuff. But you can see now that my domain is active and it looks like things are moving in the right direction. So anyway, that's it for this video. If I didn't cover something you're hoping to see, don't worry. I have a bunch of ClickFunnels 2.0 videos that you can go ahead and check out. Just go over to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, I appreciate any sorts of likes, comments, subscribes, and or please head over to CrazyOnMarketing.com. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.